Investing is critical for growing your wealth, and micro-investing apps like Raiz have made it incredibly easy to start. But when you're beginning with small sums, a flat monthly fee can feel like it's eating away all your potential returns. The question is, when does Raiz fee structure actually become reasonable? The short answer is when your balance is high enough to shift you from a fixed dollar fee to a percentage-based fee. Raiz typically charges a fixed monthly fee, for example, around $4.50 for standard portfolios under a certain threshold, often around $20,000. For accounts above that threshold, the fee switches to a percentage of your total balance, usually around $0.275 per year. This is the key turning point. When you have, say, just $500 invested, paying $4.50 a month is an annual fee of over $10.8 %. That is incredibly high and will seriously erode your growth. However, once your balance hits that threshold, let's use the $20,000 example. At $0.275 per year, the total annual fee is only $55. Compared to that flat $4.50 a month, which is $54 a year, the percentage fee feels reasonable because it's a much smaller percentage of your total funds. So, to make the flat monthly fee reasonable, you'd need a balance where the percentage cost is less than your growth. But to make the fee structure truly reasonable, aim to cross the balance threshold that switches you to the low percentage-based fee. That's where the fee scales with your success, a much healthier structure for long-term investing. If you're starting small, be aware of that flat fee and make a plan to push your balance past that fixed fee cutoff point as quickly as you can.